Hi, today I will show you a signal, thanks to which you can get 12% profit from each trade. In this scheme, we will use the exchanges Binance and BitPix. And believe me, the scheme really works. Let's register. I will register directly in the video so that it will be clear to you. On this exchange, without KYC verification, you can trade up to $180,000 per month. As you can see, the Ethereum rate on this exchange is 10% higher than on Binance. This will allow you to make money already at the first stage. First, I buy Ethereum on Binance. Since I have confidence in this exchange, I start with an amount of $5,000. But you can fund your account with any amount. After that, we need to deposit Ethereum on BitPix. To do this, go to your wallet and click on Deposit. Here, select Ethereum in the list and click Show Address. Now copy this address and go to Binance. Paste this address here, enter the full amount, and click on Withdraw. The money was credited to the balance in a few minutes. Now all we have to do is to sell our Ethereum profitably on spot trading. Select ETH. Here we need to select the entire amount of ETH. Finally, click on the Sell ETH button. As a result of this transaction, we have received more than $5,000. Now we need to withdraw them to Binance. To do this, go to the Withdrawal section. Select Tether USDT on the TRC20 network. Now go back to Binance and copy this address. Paste that address here and enter the full amount. Finally, click on the Withdraw button and wait for the blockchain to confirm the transaction. As you can see, we made $500 in just one round. I will continue with this scheme and advise you to do the same. Now, I'm going to do a round with $50,000. We follow the same methodology. In this way, I have made $5,000 while showing you this video. Bye.